We're about 30 minutes outside of Takayama to see a lot of waterfalls. It's supposed to be really pretty. This is the third fall we've seen, and it's just as beautiful as the other two. The moss covers everything and gives it a fairy kingdom kind of feel.
This is awesome!
This is waterfall number 5, and they're just getting better and better. Beautiful! Super awesome, amazing. We made it up past the really big waterfall. The elevation's kind of starting to get to us, just as a fair warning. But as soon as you think it's gonna get really bad, there's a lot of built pathways that make it a lot easier. I'm getting kind of tired. Okay, we made it to the top. We're gonna complete the loop and see if there's anything else to see. It was a beautiful hike. Although we came after a rain, it was a little slippery. So we're back at the beginning, and it was really fun. It was a great trek. Right when we were coming through the back of the restaurant, Joe saw a little baby boar. See you around Takayama.